Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time, my name is Roman and I'm on a journey to rebuild this wonderful beast behind me. If you haven't seen my previous videos, please check them out. In those videos I set up this car on a trailer for the frame pulling and we pulled the frame. There was a slight shift, about 3/8 of an inch in the front inner structure, so we got it repaired. Now is the fun part. We're gonna start assembling the front end. So let's gear up and get to it. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna install these frame extensions. As you guys can tell, I have a helper again. I installed these little extensions backwards. I was gonna take it off and just realized that I have a microphone. Okay. It clearly says out. Out means out. So I pre-assembled, I made everything loose. That way I will measure my measurements and I will tie everything to this support. I'm gonna keep this support right where it's supposed to be as much as I can and align everything to it. So this is the reason why everything is so loose right now, but I'm gonna start measuring and I'm gonna start tying pieces together. Okay, I've got radiator support on, and to do the rest of the body I will have to put car on wheels. That way I can get accurate gaps and accurate panel alignment. So let's put car on wheels. Okay guys, beams are off, car is sitting on its wheels. Let me just clean this trailer up a little bit so we can move on. Much better. Okay guys, let's gear up and put fenders on. I know I look cool in this. Now we're talking. Oh yeah. Right now I have front end exactly where I want it. It's roughly aligned. I'm gonna put headlights so I can do a final adjustments. Well guys, there you have it. It's beginning to look a lot like Tesla. So we got front end assembled. It's roughly assembled. I still got little tweaks to do, but this is good enough for moving to the next stage, which is going to be body filling. I'm going to repair. There are little damages pretty much everywhere, on that fender, on the hood, on the bumper, on this fender, on the door, and that fender is probably going to be the most damage that there is. If you haven't seen my previous videos, please check them out. In those videos we pull frame, we set car on the frame machine. There's a video how to change a steering wheel airbag and so on. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a good one.